Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Microsoft Store app is not downloading or problem and acquiring license error in Windows 10 and how to fix this app. So let's get started. First you just have to go here in the start and you just have to click on settings icon. Now from here you just have to go to apps. Now as you can see that this is the apps looks like and you will be getting all details. Now from here you just have to scroll down a little bit and you have to stop when you see Microsoft Store. So this is Microsoft Store, so you just have to right click on this and you just have to click on advanced options. Now from here as you can see that the first step what you have to do is in the apps permission you have to give all permissions including camera, microphone and even the background app. Sometimes due to this can be an issue, and once after that you just have to scroll down a little bit and click on reset and go for reset. So as you can see that if the app isn't working right, just reset it. This is the basic step and this is a step which we can do from our side, and this will help you to fix the issue up. And once after it is done, what you have to do is you just have to close this and you just have to go here in internet connection and just disconnect it and connect it back. And most probably after disconnecting and connect it back, you just have to search for Microsoft Store. So just search for Microsoft Store and you just have to open this. Now in the Microsoft Store will be all good to go, and you just have to select any one of the thing you just wanted to download and you just have to click on install icon over here. Just have to click on install icon because it is already there, and you can do it without any issue. As you can see that it will be all good to go. Now as you can see that it is downloading successfully, right? So this is what you have to do, how to download or how to fix Microsoft Store apps are not downloading problem and acquiring license error in Windows 10, and how to fix this up. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.